Yeah. I see you outside.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sude. You can call me SOMI, and thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my full-on wash day routine as well as my braid out regimen. I only use a few products, namely the apple cider vinegar spray mixture, the Shea Moisture strengthen and restore shampoo, the Made by SOMI herbal gold hair oil, and also the Made by SOMI refresh treatment spray. As you can see, my scalp is very debrided, very dirty and flaky. I've not washed my hair in about 1 month, and you guys know I swear by the apple cider vinegar as a pre-wash for my dry and flaky scalp. So I pretty much saturate my scalp with the ACV. I get right in there in all the nooks and crannies of my scalp and in my locks. I then massage my scalp really well, and then I rinse out the ACV. Afterwards, I do a first wash. I scrub my scalp really well. I rinse that out, and I do a final wash all the way down the length of my actual locks themselves. And that's pretty much it. Very simple.
She swinging it back and then bringing it back in her. She holding it back and then holding it back. Yeah, fuck off there. I can feel the sun. Better eat up another one. I swear I love it. Better days coming. Now you're sipping on a rum. Shalom, lalam. Working on a bum. Full of fun. Know the benefit. I love it when you call me boo. Make give it to your man straight through. Boy, I can be to one. Better you take another one. Yes, we live at it. Fuck up the astro.
Doing me right. Way that I like. Taking your time. Whoa. Doing me right. Way that I like.
So you guys know that I started my locks myself February 1st, 2020, using the 2-strand twist method. I only use aloe vera gel and oil to start. I have 80 locks. I don't really do much with my hair. I don't do many tight styles. My favorite style to do these days are braidouts, hence why I'm making this video. This year my hair did a weird growth spurt. Like in January it was long, but like I looked up in June and it was like double long, like longer than like the rate at which it grew was like faster than I have noticed these past 3 years, which is good. I like that. I mean, my hair is longer. I love it. It's becoming easier to manage. I don't do much with my hair at all, guys. You guys know I'm very low maintenance with my locks. I literally do nothing with my hair. I just wash it, oil it, spray it, and then I'll do a braid out or twist out every now and then. So after washing, I rinse out the shampoo very well. I then use a t-shirt to soak up some of that water so it's not so wet. And then I apply the Made by SOMI refresh treatment spray all over. And then I use the Made by SOMI herbal gold hair oil to seal in all of that yummy moisture. After that, you guys, I just start braiding. That's it. I have 80 locks, so I do have 2 separate braids. I have 4 strands or 4 locks each. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You just braid. I do a soft retwist, as you will see in the video, with each strand before I braid, just so the roots are a little bit more uniformed. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple. I will come back at the very end after it's all said and done and check back in with you guys. All right.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Jules, baby, Jules, baby, Jules. Doing me right, way that I like, way that I like. Taking your time, whoa. Doing me right, way that I like, way that I like. Taking your time, oh. I love it when you call me boo, 'cause it makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you, so don't forget I'll be there for you, for you, for you. Take time, make I show you good times. Wanna slow down time, rewind, yeah. Tell me baby just one more time, that you want just one last wine. Give it to you, won't waste no time. Yeah, I love it when you call me boo, 'cause it makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you, so don't forget I'll be there for you.
Yeah, okay now we up on the stream, now bam, ya come sit down, ya waving like a queen, madam, ya come sit down, now me and Jamie tell her come sit down around. Open and a pretty girl and bring on the tongue. Show me nothing that the girl, me no care from start. A monster, rasta, come big down, yeah. She swinging it back and then bringing it back in her. She holding it back and then holding it back. Yeah, fuck off there. I can feel the sun. Better eat up another one. I swear you love it. Better days coming. Now you're sipping on a rum. Shalom, lalam. Working on a bum for the fun, no the benefit. I love it when you call me boo. Me give it to your man straight through. Boy, I can be to one. Better you take another one. Yes, we live at it. Fuck up the astra.
Doing me right, way that I like, way that I like. Taking your time, whoa. Doing me right, way that I like, way that I like. Taking your time, whoa. I love it when you call me boo, 'cause it makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you, so don't forget I'll be there for you, for you, for you.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I let my braids sit in overnight and it's the next morning, and as you can see, the curl, the bounce, the definition, the volume is just amazing right now. Look at my roots. You see how they're like pretty much defined? It's because I did the little like palm roll before each braid, just so it's a little bit, more uniform and a little bit more manicured. I don't always do that, but because it's my birthday, I wanted a little bit of extra, razzle dazzle. But yeah, so this is it, you guys. It's my favorite hairstyle right now. I do it all the time. It normally lasts for 2.5 to 3 weeks before I wash it and do it all over again. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Please subscribe, please share, and please leave a comment. If you have made it this far, drop a kiwi in the comment section, okay? All right, y'all. See you. Bye.